is the Celtic Old Vehicle Club's Kills stand. So I don't know what is in there, but it looks like you've got pretty much like car shows, and you've got Defenders here for sale. Yeah, for sale. There's no price in there. Land Rover, no number plates. I don't know it's illegal to drive, but yeah, people have got Guinness, pints of Guinness there. So, this is from the tropical islands. So we've got like the tropical island plates, Defenders. Oh, look at this one, huh? So new. Wow.
That's the one to find it.
Yeah. This is great, eh? Looks like it's great condition. So what is that? This is 1969. Quite an old looking bike, but yeah, it looks like they've been keeping well actually. Nice, yeah. Blue and red. And then moving on to the next one, another bike here. This is mad, eh? You got like a massive engine, like same size as tractor. Yeah, wow. You got two exhausts coming out at the same time. Imagine like you about five meters behind it, you're gonna feel the exhaust there, like smash into your head. But yeah, huge. And we've got Charlie here, Honda. It's like 50cc, I would suppose, yeah. And then of course you've got like Captain America driving this one. And yeah, you see this in the films, but yeah. BSA instead of USA, just put BSA in there. But yeah, STZ250. The engine is mad, guys. Yeah. This one is like a car engine. Wow. This one just a Royal Enfield. Looks like brand new. Yeah. And of course you got like what is that? A Bliss vehicle, a Bliss motorbike. Looks nowadays. All the engines are operating, so it's very easy to change, easy to fix. Unlike the recurrent one, it's just like so complicated, like all the electrics and stuff. But yeah, this is great. And this one here as well, look, half motorbike and half bicycle. That's great looking, isn't it? Yeah. Sure. I thought at one point I thought like a bicycle with a motorbike. Yeah, but it's a motorbike. What is AZ one? Is like a New Zealand or what is AZ?
Oh no, this is the old plates was.
All right. Is that it? Like just that? Yeah. What year is it? Is that yours?
1959.
Wow. And it's still working really well. Eh? There you go, guys. Yeah.
That's great.
What was the speed limit?
It's about 80 miles
80?
Yeah, that's much.
Is that kilometers or miles?
Miles.
That's fast. Have you tried that to reach that speed? Yeah.
Never.
Yeah. Well, yeah. It's good. It's good looking, eh?
Yeah.
Got like. Wow. There you go. Well, thanks.
Enjoy your day. We'll rock around. See you later.
That's it. Let's go. Oh, I'm getting lost actually. We'll go this way. Do like the same pattern, so we go this way. This time, guys, I'm gonna do like about an hour. Oh no, 10 minutes. I'm not gonna go into details. And yeah, so you got the Zodiac, and then was that a regional Skoda? I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, never seen this brand before. But it's got BMW. Jason Nason, I think, driving that one in the film. And you've got MG, the original MG. You got Mini. Yeah. Unfortunately, the Mini nowadays, it looks bigger than a Range Rover. Lotus. So this is some sort of car that drained your bank account. Yeah. So you got like all the engines in the back. Nice. Not actually big actually, but yeah. Wow, look. Got the big speaker in there. So, oh, there you go. I got the speaker there. Okay. Yeah. And you've got the remote control there. Not too bad, eh? And you've even got like very low in the ground. The mud wouldn't be ideal even the mud, but yeah. So far so good. And they've got like a stainless steel looking colour. And move to the Morris one there. And you've got like Audi. And you've got, what is this? Like a, yeah, that brand, I've seen that. And then you've got even like Porsche in there. And what are so, is that a police mini? Oh, not mini. So that is my favorite one. When I see this, my heart's bumping hard. But yeah, it's good. I always like that car. And then you've got trams, and you've got like a container. You even have the BMW Land Rover. I've seen this one on sale. And then you've got just like MG. I've seen this one on the roads quite often. So, and this one, what is this? What? Rover. Never seen this brand before. But move to the next one. So. Jaguar. I've drawn this one before. And then moving on. And we've got Aston, so BMW in this size. And then you have, is that the plate for number? That's a bit strange. It's sticker plate number. And you've got Mini. Yeah. So Mr. Bean usually driving this one. And then you've got like a nice looking colour, very shiny, interesting. And 944. So that one, just the Mustang. They just replaced 1-2 lights there, but you leave that one to the original one, so that probably, yeah. But it's big, like Mustang is huge. And then right, we'll do a bit of like skip up some of them because I'm worried about my phone is about to crash. So we'll try my best to see what's it like. But yeah, a camper one or minivan, I'm not sure what it is. Ford. Oh, but it's got a big space in the back though. And you got a Ford there. Well, try the vintage on that one, maybe. And then Ford. So this is the VW sections. And so you got like a very vintage there as well. Imagine like people driving this like about hundreds of years ago, but yeah. Look at this one. A boat, half boat and half car. What else? Half tractors and half everything, or train. So if you own one of these cars, just like you own a train, you own a steam train, you own a boat, you own a tractor. Yeah, you chop that.
Thanks a million.
No worries. So yeah, so everything, like, yeah, imagine. A mermaid as well, so yeah, let me guess about this vehicle. So one is a steam train, a mermaid, a tractor, a boat, and also a car. Yeah, so that's great, yeah. So, but yeah. But yeah. Right, so I'm gonna finish this here. This is the second scene. And then, so we jump into that one, and now we're back in this one, and then the next one is this one, and